Hey guys, it's Drea. So today I have another quick and dirty video for you. So these are really usually fast videos, usually tips and tricks kind of videos, but today I want to do a really fast faves video. So these are my top 4 favorite products from Urban Decay, and I want to do a few of these where it's like top 4 from brand X. Let me know what brands you would like to hear about because I have a list started, but I want to know what you want to see. So I wanted to start with Urban Decay. I think it's a really it's a brand that most people can find, so I can do some mini reviews for you. Starting with probably my favorite product from Urban Decay is their lipsticks. And they make the Vice lipsticks. I actually think I have more than this, but I don't know. I just grabbed a few faves. Their Vice lipstick formula is really great. First of all, they have over 100 different shades, so you can rest assured there's definitely a shade for you. Like, there has to be. There's 100 of them. But also the formula is really good. Now, the formula is not the same across all of these lipsticks. Some of them are matte, some of them are comfort matte, some of them are like sheeny ones. It'll say right on the product, like this one says cream, this one says comfort matte, this one is another cream. Cream is probably my favorite, and comfort matte would come second. They used to make these ones here, the Revolution lipsticks, and I still have one of these left, but they don't make these anymore, but they do make all the shades in the new Vice lipstick formula. So I'm just going to swatch a couple here of my favorites. This one is Rush, which is just this really beautiful mauve-y pink that is going to look great on a lot of people. This one here is Naked, which is much more of a pinky nude. And this one is a cream. I don't know what the Rush is because, like I said, it's the old formula. It doesn't say on it. This one here is Back Talk, which is a comfort matte. Again, a nice version of a mauve pink. Really popular color. A few of these are minis that I either got like as point perks or in a gift set. The one I'm wearing today is Fuel, which came out with their Naked Heat eyeshadow palette, and I love this one. It's much more of a peachy nude. You can tell I love pinks and nudes, can't you? And then this one has actually become one of my favorite reds. This one is called Love Drunk, and again, this is a comfort matte, which it goes on like kind of thick, but it really does stay a really long time, and it's a beautiful shade of red. So there's a couple of my favorite Urban Decay lipsticks. Next product is a favorite that kind of crept up on me. I never thought I was gonna love this as much as I ended up loving it, and it's one of their eyeliners. They make some really good eyeliners and lip liners. The formula is really amazing, like long lasting, nice and creamy, goes on really easily. This one is the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Desperation, which is gray. And you might think, why gray, Drea? Why gray? But there's just something about it. Like, I'm wearing this today on my lash line. I am wearing no eyeshadow product at all up here. This is just like day of work makeup, which I don't normally go crazy with the eyeshadow. And I literally was just wearing mascara all day, and all I did right now, because we're about to go out to the bar, is I just added some of this along my lash line just to give a little bit of that smoky look. And I think because it's not black, it's gray, it really does give you that just kind of like, cool, I didn't try too hard smoky look. But what I also love this for is any pink eyeshadow look. It's so much prettier to go with a gray than it is to go with a black, I think personally, with like a light pink eyeshadow look. There's just something about the colors, the way they work together, it's so pretty. I love all of the Urban Decay blushes. I'm actually waiting for the day that they reformulate and repackage these, because these are the Afterglow blushes, and they've had these around for a long time. They've made some changes to their products, you know, over the last couple of years, so I'm just kind of waiting for them to do something with these. But for now, they still exist. They're all really amazing. They all have the color on the back, which is so useful when you're actually looking through your collection to know, oh yeah, that's exactly what color that is. So I have 4, but this is my favorite out of all of them. This is called Score. This is what I'm wearing today. I hope you can kind of tell the color. It's a little bit late, but this is just this really nice like peachy pink, you know, standard peachy pink that's going to work on a lot of people, and it's got some gold kind of flecks in it. So there's a swatch for you right there. Love this because it's not crazy pigmented. It just goes on really easily. You're not going to go overboard when you first apply it, and it is buildable. This video would not be complete without probably the most cult classic product Urban Decay has ever made. I mean, maybe they're Naked Eyeshadow palettes, but this really... Urban Decay All Nighter. This stuff is so good. So this one is the pollution protection one, which, don't get me started, I honestly don't even know what that means, because it really just says that it's an environmental defense, but there's no SPF listed on here. I don't know. Anyways, the point is, this works exactly the same as any other all-nighter that I've ever purchased. So all-nighter in general is just such a good setting spray in terms of keeping your makeup on all day, especially if you're oily skin like I am, where usually it's going to melt off you halfway through the day. And this stuff just works. It sets it. You can forget it. It's awesome. So that's it for my top 4 favorite products from Urban Decay. Again, let me know down in the comments below which brand you would like me to do next. That is it for today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.